just a splash, and you'll sprinkle on some ground nutmeg, just a bit, and then you'll put in just a little bit of granulated sugar. You just add that till you get the taste you like. Once they're done, you can still add more. You're going to bring that to a hard boil, and then you're going to turn it down so it can simmer for about 10 minutes, and then they're finished.